The EMA 50 is currently at 0.029, or so they believed, and the XDC US dollar exchange is nearing 0.032, which is a tremendous support for the bears. Bear support has been established at 0.031, and the intraday volume for XDC is approximately $1,341,211. July 27, 2023. In this video, we will guide you through the XDC organizational cost examination for now, or especially a week from now, and ask you to respond to the following frequently asked questions. What is the current cost estimate for the XDC organization? In what sense is XDC of particular interest to the wise? What are the levels of support and opposition for the XDC organization? According to a market analysis conducted over the past 24 hours, the total cryptocurrency market has lost $1.84 billion, bringing it to $1.177 trillion. The total trading volume has remained unchanged at $20 billion. Importantly, Bitcoin has 49.89% of the entry market while Ethereum has 16.33%. This resulted in the price of Bitcoin falling to $30,231.42 after a decline of 0.54, which is a significant drop relative to other digital currencies. In the past 24 hours, Ethereum's price has decreased by 0.65 to 1860.73, while the value of the local currency, XRP, has risen by 0.66 to 47 centimeters. The XDC value of the US dollar has decreased by 0.032, and Coco's BCX has decreased by 0.77, which is a significant change. These events indicate that the market has been falling for a long time and is doing so in a significant way at the moment. Across the entire crypto market, a particularly wide and severe decline can be observed, indicating that the overall trading volume largely remains at 20 billion, 5.7 billion, 6.3 billion, 4.4 billion, 4.0 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 billion. The support and opposition for the XDC Association sponsorship and deter it is a tax. How XRP, the local currency, is currently trading at 47 pennies, up 0.66. This indicates that XDC US dollar trades close to 0.032, and the following are the support and resistance levels for XDC Association. The price of XDC Association XDC is 0.032, down 0.48 in the last 24 hours. Its value has changed by 3.74 over the past week, demonstrating that Coco's BCX went from 60 cents to 60 cents after losing 0.77 cents in a single day. Out of 3770, 5.000.009.99, 354,752 are generally available for use. XDC Association Esteem Evaluation XDC Cost Examination for July 27, 2023 trigger a kind of everyday time frame managed under additional look how. XDC Association Esteem Evaluation XDC Cost Examination for 08 July 27, 2023 inside a regular time frame from a real perspective determined beneath which is exceptional association and comparison of MACD support levels and resistance levels at various time moving midpoints, including typically clear, typical little, and emotional moving. XDC organization backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to fundamentally recognize certainly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which in every way that is real EMX organization backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to fundamentally recognize certainly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route. Similarly, obstruction is a level at which merchants become fundamentally dynamic and prevent the coin's price from rising. XRP, the local coin of XRP, is up 0.66 and currently trading at 47 cents, while XDC United States dollar exchanges close at 0.032. Following are the support and obstruction levels of the XDC organization. XDC organization execution. The price of XDC company XDC is 0.032, down 0.48 in the last 24 hours, and its value has changed by 3.74 over the past week, demonstrating how Coco's BCX went from 77 cents to 60 cents in a single day. The trading volume for BTC is $134,021.00 US, and the total market cap is $439,732,247 US, demonstrating that out of $377 trillion, $51,269,354,752 are fundamentally. The Relative Strength Index RSI is moving relatively normally. Similarity and distinction support and resistance levels for the MAC. Different time span moving midpoints such as simple moving very normal small and dramatic moving very normal EMA to look at how the XDC will change in the future, which primarily shows July 27-23. In this video, we will walk you through the XDC organization cost exam for now or about a week from now and attempt to answer these frequently asked questions about important facts. Even though most people think that RSI is close to the overbought stage when trading at 57 and is trying to break out of the lack of bias, the short-term price forecast for XDC is that it's a good investment zone, showing how XDC sets up support and resistance levels etc., which really shows that the EMA 50 is currently at 0.029 or so they thought, while XDC's Williams percent or pointer is actually a 28.994 for the 14-day time span, showing a balanced situation. The trade suggestion is usually possible at this time, indicating that we employ kind. On its website, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) approved BlackRock's latest application for a spot Bitcoin ETF. The governing body acknowledged that BlackRock had submitted an ETF in the section for ETFs filed in the third quarter. Bitcoin price prediction. As the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision gets closer, has Bitcoin already hit bottom? The next meeting of the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, is planned for Wednesday. And market participants are eagerly waiting to see what happens and how it might affect Bitcoin and other financial assets. As the FOMC meets to decide on the federal interest rate, the cryptocurrency market is tense. Investors are asking if Bitcoin has already hit its bottom or if there will be more volatility in the future. At the time this was written, one Bitcoin was worth $29,260, and its 24-hour trade volume was a whopping $11.8 billion. The choices made by the FOMC could have a big effect on where Bitcoin's price goes and